10 years ago, Clinton Scott and a small group of investors acquired some of the few red pineapple plants available in New Zealand. They tissue cultured and grew 5,000 plants at a remote nursery in Northland. Those plants now number around 50,000.
It's the wild pineapple from Brazil, Ananas bracteatus. We always knew that there was 3 ways to make money out of this: the plants, the fruit and the flowers. And we did really well out of the plants. We went to a Ellerslie flower show and we sold $10,000 worth in 4 days. And then the next step was the flowers. This is a 12-acre block and we've got 4 acres in pineapples. I was trained in permaculture. What we got taught is don't grow everything in one block. So with this, it's like we had to grow them as a monoculture, but what we did was we grew mixed shelter belts. The shelter belts have got a good range of aromatic herbs. We've got our rosemary, lavender, and this is tree lucerne, the tree lupin. Tagasasti, they also call it. And it fixes nitrogen. Every leaf that drops on the ground will produce nitrogen for this crop. What we do is we spray a whole row with just a weak solution of ethylene, which is the chemical. Yeah, you've heard about putting a banana and an apple in a brown paper bag to make fruit ripen. It lets off ethylene gas. So we'll just walk down a row with a watering can of ethylene. We'll make the whole row flower, and within 2 or 3 months they'll all flower. Then we'll just come through with a handsaw. We'll just cut through the whole plant. And there's our flower. So from when we pick that, it's like 4 months until it produces edible fruit. We're getting about 5 flowers per square metre, and getting $3 a flower, we'll never get that for a fruit. That fruit is about 5.5 months old and totally ready to pick. So those are the slips. They're all propagatable plant material. That's the crown up there. They just twist off so they can kill us off for a bit, and that's a new plant right there. You know the pineapples are ready because of the smell. You can see it's a yellow pineapple. The main thing is to be frost-free. Like, even though they can handle a little bit of frost, frost-free would certainly help. This is some of the most marginal soil you'll ever get. It's too dry in summer, it's too wet in winter, and there's no nutrients. These ones are about 3 years old, and they've never been weeded. What we do is, in summer, we just let the drought take over. The pineapples can handle the dry weather, but the weeds can't.
This program was made with funding from New Zealand On Air.